Welcome back to Ultimate Luxury Cars. In this video, we are going to take an in-depth look at the 2025 Ford F150 Lightning Flash. Is a newly introduced trim level in Ford's electric truck lineup, aimed at delivering a strong blend of performance and technology at a more accessible price point. It features a dual-motor all-wheel drive system powered by an extended-range battery, offering up to 320 miles of estimated range and 536 horsepower. Designed for both everyday use and demanding tasks, the Flash supports a maximum towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds when properly equipped. It also includes Pro Power on board, enabling the truck to serve as a mobile power source with up to 9.6 kilowatts of exportable electricity. Technologically, the Lightning Flash is equipped with Ford BlueCruise, allowing for hands-free highway driving, and it supports plug charge capability for simplified EV charging. The vehicle also includes access to a wide charging network, including compatibility with Tesla Superchargers via an included adapter. Positioned between the XLT and Lariat trims, the Flash offers many of the Lightning's most desirable features with an emphasis on utility and cutting-edge tech, making it a practical and future-ready electric workhorse. The 2025 Ford F150 Lightning Flash offers a comfortable and tech-forward cabin designed for both work and everyday driving. It features durable yet premium synthetic leather seats that balance comfort and easy maintenance. The centerpiece of the interior is a large touchscreen infotainment system with seamless smartphone integration, supporting wireless connectivity for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For audio, the truck comes equipped with a high-quality sound system to enhance the driving experience. Hands-free driving technology is included, allowing for safer and less stressful highway travel. The front seats are heated and adjustable to ensure driver comfort during all seasons. Multiple power outlets and onboard generator capability provide flexible power options for tools and devices. While the interior focuses on functionality, certain premium workspace features are streamlined in this trim. On the outside, the Lightning Flash stands out with a refreshed light bar on the front that adds modern styling and visual flair. It rides on exclusive 20-inch wheels that complement its bold stance. The grille has been updated for improved aerodynamics, subtly boosting efficiency. The truck offers customizable paint options, including a two-tone scheme for those wanting a unique look. The charging port is conveniently located on the rear fender and includes compatibility with popular charging networks. Additionally, the Lightning Flash features a power-operated front trunk, providing extra secure storage space that is both practical and accessible. The 2025 Ford F150 Lightning Flash starts at around $72,000, positioning it between the XLT and Lariat trims. It offers a strong value by combining advanced tech and impressive performance at a competitive price point. Buyers may also benefit from federal EV tax credits, making the Flash an even more affordable electric truck option. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and press the bell icon button.